Somebody asked me where I come from. I gave my usual reply. Mom and Dad, they are both from Guam, but I am Americanized. Born on the mainland back in '58, I grew up pretending that I was nothing more than the boy next door, your average American guy. I couldn't face I was something much more different than the rest of my friends. Grandpa Juan, he'd say, listen here, son, I'm proud of the land from where I came. And he'd say, forever tomorrow, you'll always be the home in my heart. Seasons may change and our lives rearrange, and I'm so glad we're never apart. Some years gone by, I must confess, I get those feelings inside. Again I'd run from my heritage and my own homeland denied. I didn't even know what my history was, didn't even know where to begin. Dad and Mom, they'd say, listen here, son, we're glad of the land from where we came. And they'd say, forever tomorrow, you'll always be the home in my heart. Seasons may change and our lives rearrange, and I'm so glad we're never apart. Something inside me led me to explore the names and the faces that had gone before. A people of warmth, generosity, a people of courage, a people of dignity. So when somebody asks me where I come from, I give a heartfelt reply. Mom and Dad, they are both from Guam, and now I realize that I'm forever tomorrow, forever tomorrow, forever tomorrow. I'm so glad we're never apart. Yes, I am forever tomorrow, forever tomorrow, forever tomorrow. I'm so glad we're never apart.